lot of people that need support, which isn't necessarily statutory support, so maybe they don't necessarily need to go to a doctor's, or maybe they can't get to see a doctor, maybe they need some help with their social situation, homelessness, difficulties with different substances, difficulty with children, managing their family lives, and their health in general. And very often it's hard to get access to statutory support, but actually the idea behind it is to make sure we get people before they get seriously ill. So seriously ill with their mental health, seriously ill with their physical health, because maybe they can't get access to the right support, but also support with living their best life. And that's really what Hwb Dinas Bangor is about. It's there to help everybody live their best life in their world. So easy to drop in, there's no appointments, very relaxed, very chilled out environment for people to come along, have a chat. Sometimes it's just space to sit down and have a pan ad and watch the telly. Sometimes they can offload to somebody. They can access one of about 45 different partners that are experts in their field at Hwb Dinas Bangor. They don't have to tell their story about 10 different times to 10 different organisations. We get all that information straight away. We do it with people so they become resilient, they learn how to support themselves over time, and then hopefully they carry their skills along with them for the rest of their lives.
I come here for my mental health and to meet new people and have a break from everything else. It's a nice place to come to. It's easy to get to, and loads of people come here and we make new friends and we have a chat about our problems and stuff like that, mental health. So yeah.
That we go out into the community, and that's one of the reasons why we come here on a monthly basis, to show our support, to speak to people, to let the community know that there is a service out there. Should anyone be in dire straits and they need somebody to talk to, then we're available for them.
It's really inspiring and exciting to actually come here and see the real world difference that's being made by the team and by the influence of the council to the ordinary people of Bangor. I'm really proud to have been part of this.